single-story 3 halves with elegant 10-foot ceilings, located at the end of a cul-de-sac, backs up to a preserve for additional comfort and privacy. Attached 2-car garage, split design with open floor plan. Lots of natural sunlight throughout home. Brand new GAF Designer roof with 25 years manufacturer warranty as of February 2018. Gas fireplace. Master offers double tray ceiling and bay window facing backyard. Home is wired for gas appliances, currently running electric. Porcelain tile entire home, except the master walk-in closet is carpet/whole bath is colored tile. Backyard offers huge backyard, outdoor sink to side of home off open rear patio and child play set. 22 by 16 reinforced concrete patio that has 16 by 16 footer and 6 slab. Custom backyard fencing with double entry on both sides, metal cage reinforced fence DRS with 4 by 6 columns. Water filtration under